GameStop is going to start selling GPUs. And I think it's a fantastic move if you can sell GPUs. But you can't sell GPUs.
No?
Because no one can sell GPUs. Because GPUs don't need to be sold. They sell themselves. Wherever a GPU finds itself has already got a buyer.
Mm-hmm.
It can't even make it to the store. It's
Right
bought and sold
press.
7 times. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
This dude's waiting right at the door.
Uh-huh.
I don't have to tell you about the whole GPU fiasco. It's well known. Well known.
Mm-hmm.
But this is one of the ways, and this is something GameStop should have done sooner. PC hardware.
Yeah, why not?
What's going on here? A lot of towns don't have a local place for PC hardware in a pinch.
Mm-hmm.
And I understand you got Amazon and all this, but sometimes you need some PC hardware in a pinch.
Sure.
I would give a shout out Canada Computers.
Shout out.
Because that's our PC hardware in a pinch around the corner.
Yeah.
They're all over the place, Southern Ontario.
Uh-huh.
And no, I guess I'm telling GameStop to get into the same business. So maybe not shout out, you know what I'm saying? Because they're like, well, hey, I thought we were doing that. And it's tough times right now. I thought we were doing that. But then
we have EB Games, right?
Yeah, but it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And they don't have any, you know what they were trying to do? They're like, okay, we got the collectibles.
Right.
And then at one point they were like, okay, we got the, we're going to be an internet cafe, place for gamer hangouts.
Hangouts.
And then they were like, no, we're just going to be a meme stock.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they had a meeting. They're like, I don't know if you guys know what this thing called Reddit, but we got to get in there, and we're all shorted and whatnot. So this is our new identity for a bit. But I got to say, from a marketing perspective, the meme stock status has just elevated in the public consciousness the brand. It does represent an opportunity that can be taken advantage of, where nobody was talking about GameStop,
Mm-hmm.
and then everybody was talking about GameStop. You don't want to lose the moment.
Yeah.
Like you want to take advantage. Is that Eminem? What is that?
Lose yourself in the moment?
Is that what it is?
Or don't lose yourself in the moment?
I don't know what it is, man. We should know this. Palms are sweaty. Mom's spaghetti. I mean, it's a really famous thing. If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Okay. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface, he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock runs out. Time's up. Over. Blah. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to take advantage of the moment. You got to capture it. GameStop got to capture it, like Eminem said.
Just embrace it.
Just make sure that they're here right now and ready to go and making moves because they're on blast.
GameStop is B Rabbit.
That's right.
Okay.
Wait, who's B Rabbit? I don't even remember.
This is Eminem.
Oh, is he B Rabbit in the movie?
Yeah.
Or is that one of his pals? Why can't he just be Marshall Mathers in the movie? I don't. Okay, Will's checking it. He's fact checking because he doesn't want to be called out on this. Yes, he's B Rabbit. I was just joking around with you, Will. That's all.
Terrified. Who's B Rabbit?
No, I mean, I trusted you.
Okay.
I trusted you.
I had to check myself
trusted you.
because I wasn't really sure.
I trusted you a little bit, like 1% or something.
Okay.
Anyway, you came through big on that. But yeah, it's a story about his life, but I guess it had some obviously fictional elements, fictional names, a few things going on like that. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at over here is like, you're not always hot. So when you're hot, make it count. And GameStop was as hot as it had been as a brand name because of the stock thing. And then it's like, okay, make some announcements. It's like, show people what you're going to do now that's different from what you've been doing, because obviously there wasn't a tremendous amount of confidence in the company from an investment standpoint for a period of time. That's all that short business.
Yep.
And tons of competition from players like Amazon and others. So you got to do a few things. And those first couple of things, they didn't really do the trick. So then you come with this GPU talk, and you know what else is hot right now? GPUs are hot right now.
Mm-hmm.
And people are going to know and keep track of anybody in the GPU business. So even if they sold out of stock right away, which they happen to do, still people are going to be checking the site now.
Yeah, that's a really smart move. Look, they're selling PC cases, speakers, gaming peripherals,
This is what
mouse,
it
keyboard.
should have been done a long time ago.
That makes sense.
Tons of sense. They may even need to get a few sponsorship deals, get in with the streamers, get on Twitch, get into the gaming competitions, competitive gaming and things.
Sure. Hosted by GameStop.
Hosted by GameStop. They could do like some sort of rewards program, like for the most hardcore types.
Yeah.
I'm just giving you ideas right now.
Yeah.
These are free ideas.
For sure. You should talk to Mr. GameStop.
You want to know something though? I'm sure that everything I just said, they said it in the boardroom. They got the smart dude.
George Sherman.
No, they got the other guy.
No.
I mean, I'm sure George. Shout out George. I'm sure you're the CEO, whatever. The other guy that he made the investment. The guy from Chewy.com.
Yeah.
The pet guy. The pet guy knew about the e-commerce. And it looks like he's already cracking the whip a little bit. He's already getting things moving and going. And so with some luck and some inventory, they can become a destination. Very exciting. I guess Newegg doesn't like it, but anyway. The other thing that GameStop has is a rich history of being a place to trade things in. Now, it is a bit of a meme that they give you $5.
Yeah.
It is a bit of a meme what they pay you for your used goods. But they have an opportunity in the PC space to potentially also buy your used hardware because you're already in the mindset of it as you upgrade, that is a thing you commonly upgrade. Your PC hardware.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think it's a good move. GPUs. Now you got one more place to check if there ever will be stock ever again one day. Yeah. But also other PC hardware. So that's cool.